Well, he wants to know what is the description or what can we call the person who does not believe in Hazrat Imam Mahdi alayhi salam?
We can call him according to his belief. We believe that Al-Imam al-Mahdi has been commissioned by God, so we can call him, he has rejected the Imam commissioned by God. And he rejected the Imam about whom Hazrat sallallahu alayhi wasallam predicted that he would come. So they say he is not the same Imam. But as far as we are concerned, we believe him to be the same Imam. So they can take pride in his rejection. So when we say you have rejected the Imam which we believe to be the appointed Imam, why do you mind this? You should take pride in this. You say, yes, we reject this Imam and we do not agree with you that he is appointed by Allah. So it's a simple case of facts. We do not attribute anything false to the people who do not believe in this Imam. You see, this case becomes very simple to understand when you refer the matter to Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and those who rejected him. What did the Muslims believe? They believed that he is the same Rasul about whom Moses predicted and Jesus predicted. So those who rejected him, according to the Muslims, became kafir. Not because they imposed any kufr upon them, but because they took pride in their kufr. So they shouldn't have minded it. Only what they said was only this: you think he is the same Imam, but we do not believe that he is the same Imam. But this Imam we reject because, according to us, he is not the same. This exactly the situation repeated in the case of Al-Imam al-Mahdi. The logic is the same.